Hello everyone, I'm Jude with another episode. Just a quick announcement before we get started. I am using a new microphone. If you guys interested, please put a like for my voice. If it is not, please mention in the comment section. I will try to improve as a beginner. Okay, let's get back to work. Here's the Xiaomi E-Lite bulb color, which you will not see any Xiaomi branding, but this is from Xiaomi and it's great choice for your smart home building. This is supporting all the smart assistants platform like Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, basically nothing to worry about compatibility. In the box you can see more options, but compared to Philips Hue Light, this is a very cheap option, but it still managed to give you the same exact features. Probably more. All the customizable features are here. You can install E-Light app and or Xiaomi Smart Home app to automate this bulb. It's really important to have a great scene in your room. So by having multiple bulbs, you can easily get the color theme to your room. Compared to other CFL bulbs, this one is really low power consuming. It's basically 8.5 watts and it has a A+ energy saving ratings. Let's go inside the box and see what we have. Probably you will get only the bulb and the small manual, but which really you don't want to open at all. I will explain you configuring this bulb nice and easy way. There are two options in this bulb category. Either way, you can choose white bulb option or RGB bulb option like mine. Both are in the same price range. If you want to get the RGB option, please choose the purple ring near the bottom cap. This indicates the RGB option. If it's a white or any other ring, it means it's not the RGB option. Probably the white light option, which you can choose only the range of warm to cool color temperatures. Either way, both of these options are smart light, which you can add to your smart home. Apart from that, you can choose between screw type and pin type options according to your home bulb holder configuration. Here I've got the E27 screw type. Next, let's move on to the configuration part, which is a bit tricky with Xiaomi products. As you can see here, you must use an Android device to get this bulb connected with your Wi-Fi router. I failed literally more than 10 times when I was trying with my iPhone, so please make sure that you are using an Android device for this configuration part. After connected using Android device, you can install the app in your iPhone. Then you can control this bulb easily by logging into the same account. Hopefully those are minor bugs and you will get a bug fix update very soon. And I forgot to mention that to add all the Xiaomi product, you must create an account by selecting the region as China. Always keep that in mind. If you use any other regions other than China, you won't be able to connect the product with the app probably. So download the E-Light app from the App Store or Play Store. Here I use one of my old Android devices. First of all, connect the smart light to the power supply. Then app will guide you with the process. Please make sure that you connected to the 2.4 Wi-Fi network in your router. This smart bulb is not supported for 5 GHz. I failed trying those options already. Please choose the correct device, specifically same name as right in the box. Here I have color bulb 1S. Then you should reset the device in order to make a new connection. So please turn on and off your smart bulb 5 times between the gap of 2 seconds. Then it will illuminate by RGB colors, which means it's already reset and ready to make a new connection. Next, you can add it with your phone easily. Now we're gonna connect the bulb to your Wi-Fi router, and this process fairly simple with Android device. It takes few seconds to establish the connection. Make sure that you're gonna give a short name for the bulb, because if you have a Google Smart Home or any other assistant, it's going to read this long name every time, so it's really easy for you to give a short name for the device. If you go inside the app, probably you will see lots of nice presets which you can enjoy the bulb. Lots of candle flickers and night scenes are here. White light, you can choose from warm to cool from the app. All the RGB 16 million color options are here, as you can see. Here I've set the maximum brightness of the light to half, because otherwise it makes overexposed to my camera. In a second I will show you full brightness by turning it on to 100%. There are light flow options. You can set multiple colors and set the flow speed. It will automatically flow among those colors as you want. Most of these features are fully customizable from the Google Home app also, but a single bulb may not be enough for the entire room. Probably you will have to go for a few light options. Since this is a really cheap option, it won't break the bank. As I mentioned before, you will get firmware updates and new options eventually. So you won't feel bored by looking at the same thing over years. There are another few hidden options. Basically, you can point your phone towards any color and set that exact color in your light. This is a great option if you have multiple color options in your wall. Color accuracy may not exactly the same as in the camera, but I recommend this light. In addition to that, there's a dancing light option, which basically phone microphone takes any audio inputs and light will fluctuate according to the same wave. That's a great option when you're playing a music in your room. Keep in mind that those options are going with your phone and still not as Google Assistant supporting for those features. So basically that's all about the Xiaomi Light. It's a great budget option for your smart home. You can literally control light effects right from your voice. By spending few amounts of money, you can have these features and you will never regret for those investments. Nice home, what we always wanted. Give a try, go for it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next episode.